Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to open Windows Movie Maker in Windows 11 operating system. For this simple, on settings I will show you. Simply you need to find here Windows Movie Maker. If it is there, it will open. Otherwise, go to the Chrome and type here Windows Movie Maker Windows 11. Then select here apps.microsoft.com. Open this and then download it. Then try to install it. Wait for a few seconds. It is going to install Movie Maker in Windows 11. It's almost completed. Now it's going to install. Yes, now the Windows Movie Maker has been installed successfully. Now you can going to use this. Continue text overlays and music, quick editing and speed adjustment is there. Continue professional effects. Get full access to Movie Maker suite. Unlock all apps to include it. Continue. Try Movie Maker Shoot for free. If you want, you can go for the free. Otherwise, you need to pay for the month. Now, free access is enabled. Start free trial. Wait for few seconds. It will start opening. This it will open. Then go to the create new project. You can do the minimal things. It will work before the trial period expired. After this, if you want to buy, you can purchase it. Okay. Thank you. All these features is there here.